Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to use a trending effect called Photo Crop Challenge on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect automatically crops on screen several times at different part of the screen and takes a screenshot of that cropped area. The challenge here is to get into that cropped area and create yourself a nice collage of photos. See how well you do in getting good photos of yourself. So let me show you how to use it. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover. Search for Photo Crop Challenge. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now on this screen you can see how others have used this effect by browsing through these videos. Once you're ready, tap on the record button to use the effect. On screen you'll see a box moving around quite quickly. Once it gets into position, it will then take a photo. The idea is to quickly get into the photo and pose for the camera. You'll keep doing this 7 times. So go ahead and press the record button to start off. Make sure you have plenty of space as you'll be moving left, right, up and down several times. I would recommend using this effect while standing up so you can reach into each cropped photo easily. Have fun and let's see who can beat this challenge to take some good photos of yourself. And there you go, that is how to use a trending effect called Photo Crop Challenge on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.